Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video, belly fat. Today I'm going to share a very wonderful natural drink for you that you can make in your kitchen that will help you to get rid of fat, especially belly fat. We all know that excessive belly fat is not good for your health since it surrounds most of the vital organs in the body. Now, when you find that you have excessive belly fat, it sometimes give you a sluggish feel. You're not able to move as fast as you want to. You tend to just feel a little lazy because you're carrying around way too much fat on the body. This drink is going to help to shrink all of that. But the wonderful thing about this drink is that it is not only going to shrink those fat, but it's going to flush the toxin from the body. It's going to revitalize and energize you, a boost of energy, because it's going to have to speed up the metabolism. And with that comes shedding of fat, being able to go about your business without feeling sluggish, and you're on your way to a healthier, more shapelier you. And this will allow you to, be more confident with yourself. It will also help you to fit in your clothes a little better. So if you're interested in this wonderful drink, continue watching. For this recipe, you will need a blender. Now let's take a look at the ingredient. Here I have 4 medium lemons, and lemons are great for getting rid of belly fat. The next ingredient is cucumber, and I'm using a large cucumber for this recipe. I'm also going to be using some ginger, and these are frozen ginger. I tend to peel and freeze my ginger so I could have them available at all times. Next, I'm going to be using some aloe vera gel, and this is fresh aloe vera gel. You need to get at least about 4 to 5 ounces. I'm also going to be using some cayenne pepper, and just find cayenne pepper of your choice. The next 2 ingredients is parsley and cilantro. Take a look at the cilantro up close. It looks pretty similar to the parsley, but they are different. Now, this is the parsley, and as you can see, the leaves are different. So I'm using both parsley and cilantro. Now, to prepare the parsley and the cilantro, I'm just going to remove the stem. First, I'm removing the stem from the parsley, and I'm going to place that in the blender. And next, I'm going to remove the stem from the cilantro, and I'm also placing that in a blender. Next, I'm going to prepare the aloe vera, and I'm using only the aloe vera gel. I'm using about 1 ounce of aloe vera per cup, so I'm cutting this in 5 pieces. Now, to extract the aloe vera gel, you just need to peel like I'm showing here. When you cut it like this, it makes for easier peeling, and this is what the aloe vera gel look like. So now I'm just going to go on and prepare the others. So here it is, fresh aloe vera gel. Now I'm making about 5 cups of this juice, so 5 pieces is good. Moving on to the cucumber, and you just want to make sure to wash the cucumber thoroughly. We're not going to peel the cucumber, so just wash and chop the cucumber for easier blending. So I like chopping the cucumber in small pieces for easier blending. So I'm also going to place the cucumber in the blender along with the other ingredient. And moving on to the ginger. I like a lot of ginger, so I'm using more ginger. If you don't like a lot of ginger, then you could use a little less ginger in this recipe. And this is what your chopped ginger look like, and we're pouring this in the blender. Moving on to preparing the lemon, and I'm going to use about 3 lemons in this, and just want to juice the lemon. Make sure to get rid of the seeds. So just cut open like I showed here and juice. And from our 3 lemons, I get about a quarter cup of lemon juice. So if you're using store-bought lemon juice, you need a quarter cup. Now I'm going to be moving on to the cayenne pepper, and this is where it gets tricky. You're going to add cayenne pepper to your liking. In this, I'm using a half a teaspoon. Go ahead and use just a pinch if you prefer less. Now moving on to water, and I'm using distilled water. If you don't have distilled, go ahead and boil some water, and to this I'm adding about 5 to 6 cups of water. And now I'm just gonna cover and I'm gonna blend. Now these mixtures are really great for the stomach, guys. It's not only gonna shrink that fat, but it's get rid of the toxin and all of that build up in the stomach. So if you're not looking to get rid of belly fat, but you just want a good detox drink, this is also gonna do wonders for you. So don't shy away from this. You can choose to drink this for belly fat, and you can also choose to maintain, also choose to drink this for flushing the system out and just keep an healthy intestine. This will also help to take care of your skin. You know, the ingredient is loaded with antioxidants and minerals that is great for the skin. So once you flush your inside out, then you definitely know that it will show on the skin, making your skin just bright and glowing. So here we have our drink, and we're gonna move on to tasting. Now here is our drink, and you want to have this at night just before you go to bed. Now it's very easy to drink. The pepper is very, very mild. If you think that you have a problem with pepper, then you just leave the pepper out, or you use half of the amount. So you want to drink this for 7 days straight at least, and at the end of 7 days you definitely will see results. So go ahead, try this drink. Let me know in the comment box below how well it is working for you, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to share, and if this is your first time and you're interested in more videos like this, subscribe on your way out, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.